Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact MSI motherboard model and your Windows version. This prevents installing wrong firmware or drivers. Open system information or check the board silkscreen, then jot down the model name. Next, create a restore point and back up current drivers so you can revert if needed. Once done, disable any third-party overclocking profiles and close background apps to avoid conflicts, because clean conditions reduce failed installs and make troubleshooting simpler. You'll download drivers from MSI support for your specific model and OS. Start with the chipset package because it exposes system buses and device enumerations. Install chipset drivers first and reboot. This ensures later driver installers detect hardware properly. After reboot, install LAN, audio, VGA, SATA, and storage drivers in that order. Make sure to right-click and run installers as administrator so services can register. If an installer offers a clean install option, use it. This removes legacy files that could cause instability. You finish by verifying all devices in Device Manager, show no warnings, update any flagged drivers, or roll back to the previous version if instability appears. Only update BIOS when necessary and follow MSI flash steps. Use a reliable power source and USB flash method. Incorrect BIOS flashes can brick the board. If something goes wrong, boot to safe mode to uninstall problem drivers, use system restore point you created, or run MSI Live Update for automated fixes. Keep notes on changes so you can reverse steps quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.